Subtraction. Subtracting numbers at unit position. Let's count the circles in this box. 3. Now let's count the circles in this box. 2. Now let's subtract 3 and 2, which is equals to 1. Subtracting two-digit numbers. Let's subtract 20 and 10. 20 is 2 tens and 0 ones. And 10 is 1 tens and 0 ones. Subtracting both is equals to 10, which is 1 tens and 0 ones.